Unveiling the future of space exploration, the Orion spacecraft. Welcome to a new era in space exploration. We present to you NASA's latest marvel, the Orion spacecraft. Orion is not just a spaceship, it's humanity's passport to the cosmos. It represents our insatiable curiosity and exploratory spirit. Designed to endure the rigors of deep space, Orion will carry astronauts farther than they've ever gone before. Equipped with the most advanced technologies, this spacecraft will redefine interplanetary travel, making journeys to Mars and beyond a reality. Orion's journey symbolizes the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where mankind transcends the boundaries of Earth and explores the unknown. Join us on this interstellar journey. The Orion spacecraft, propelling mankind to new frontiers. The future of space exploration starts with Orion.